I understand that you've, as I know about your career, you have all been basically a pro-public interest person, and Olelo was very much sort of interfaces with your career. The public access room was a result of what you did. Explain that the public access room at the state capitol, that's where the people can access the legislature. So how is it that the legislature is transparent? And could you explain some of the stuff that you did?
You know, I've always been, you know, as an electrical engineer, I've always been a champion for technology and the use of technology throughout the different facets of government. I've been an advocate for public access. You know, when I first got to the Capitol and got reelected, you know, there was a period of time where the legislature had voted on bills and nobody could get copies of what action they were actually taking. So, you know, as an engineer, it was one of those things. If we had it electronically, if we had all the documents electronically, the public could get access to it. So working with my colleagues, you know, Leslie Hara, Carol Fukunaga, Susie Chan, we were committed to making the process accessible. So we initiated the public access room. You know, we took an effort to provide the insider's guide to how the state capitol works. So we did a manual, we went out and we made all the documents available through, and this was before the internet, so actually we created a network that was available through the public libraries, and then the public libraries became a point of access into the process. And you know, 30 years later, we're winning awards for the state capitol website. You know, the Senate has now gone paperless. We took the state budget for the first time paperless 3 years ago, and the public could get access to all the worksheets.
Now, I was on the Finance Committee back when the Earth's crust was cooling.
Yes.
The most important process the legislature does is funding. I mean, ultimately, it takes our money, the people's money,
absolutely,
and you allocate it. Again, it goes through your committee.
Right.
In order to get a handle of this, there is a thing called the worksheet.
Absolutely.
And that is actually where the budget is made on the work. We actually
detailed line item by line item. Every appropriation in the budget is defined.
So now anybody can participate, because the worksheet used to be, in fact, legislators were not allowed to see except the chairman of the Finance Committee, the chairman of the Ways and Means Committee. This is before your time.
Right.
This was a very secret process.
Absolutely. And in the Senate Ways and Means Committee, every document is available not only to every member on the Ways and Means Committee, but every senator, and we make those documents available to the public. So for the first time, the details of the budget really was accessible to the entire public for the entire budget process.
How is the public getting, this is a mega tool. This is one of the most important innovations ever.
Yes, absolutely.
Because, you know, but does the public understand how to use the worksheet so they can get their feedback back to legislators?
We do. If you go to the public access room, they have a whole bunch of tutorials and guides for the public. I think that, you know, public access room, I think, was one of the, I mean, we have the only public access room in the country. There might have been other legislatures that have followed suit, and they do a great job of being a tutor and allowing the public to understand the documents. You know, we try and do the best that we can from our perspective on the Ways and Means Committee, but, you know, there's a lot of people in the public.
Right. We've had a number of guests over the years that we've done this program who are very interested, obviously. They are part of the state budget process because they receive funds from the state of Hawaii. They actually need to get involved with this process, because if they want to get information, the worksheets is get their input into the worksheets, as opposed to, it's almost more important than testifying at a hearing.
Yes, it would be.
Right. Okay, so and so obviously they can go to the public access room or contact you in your office.
Or they can go to the website. I mean, like I said, we put the documents online, so anybody from their home computer can get access to the documents. Or, you know, we have upgraded the libraries, and so they're all part of the state network, and they can get access to the documents to their public libraries.